Good morning everyone. I welcome you in the virtual class of GK. This is class 6, chapter 3, facts about insects. So here we are going to read these statements and write true or false. Now what is an insect? Any of a group of small and often winged animals that are arthropods having 6 jointed legs and a body formed of a head, thorax and abdomen are known as insect. For example, flies, bees and lice are the true insects. So here we will read these statements and then write true or false. So number 1. Most of the insects live in the air. No, it is false. So most of the insects live on the land and around 97% of the insects live on the land. Number 2, Goliath beetles cannot fly because they are heavy. Goliath beetles are often described as the largest and heaviest of all the beetles. So this is false. Honeybees die after they sting once. It is true. Once honeybee sting any person or any animal, they die. Now number 4. Cicada, yellow jackets and hornets are all different kinds of birds. No, they are not birds. They are all insects. Number 5, the light emitted by fireflies is known as cold light. It's true. Fireflies are soft-bodied beetles that are commonly called glowworms or lightning bugs, and in Hindi we call them jugnu. Now number 6, katydids shed a limb to escape their enemy. It is true. Katydid sheds its limb in order to escape from its enemies. And these kinds of animals or insects are also shed limbs and their skin readily, and it is a process called autonomy. Now number 7, doctors use maggots to clean dead tissue and treat open wounds. So maggots are very useful because they provide other beneficial services also, as well, and from helping solve crimes to healing wounds, so that doctors use them to clean dead tissues and treat open wounds. So it is true. Now number 8, dragonfly is known as the fastest insect. Dragonfly, as its name suggests, it is a very large sized fly. So it darts and spins and dives at a record of 35 miles per hour. So dragonfly is known as the fastest insect. It is true. Now number 9, the term associated with weather forecasting is butterfly effect. Now what is a butterfly effect? It is butterfly effect can be conveyed as the flapping of a butterfly might create minute changes in the atmosphere. As we see different kinds of changes in the atmosphere, or sometimes very minute changes also. Now number 10, dragonfly is also known as the devil's needle. It is also true. Now this is chapter 4. It is all about diseases which affect plants and animals. Such as human beings have different kinds of diseases. Similarly, plants also and animals also have different kinds of diseases. So here, number 1, anthrax among cattle is caused by a protozoa or bacteria. It is caused by bacteria. So anthrax is a serious infectious disease caused by gram-positive rod-shaped bacteria, and it is a very serious disease, and sometimes the plants also die. Now number 2. Now various types of rusts generally affect plants and organisms mainly responsible for the rust diseases among plant is. The options are protozoa and fungi, and the right answer is fungi. So here we can see white rust of mustard. It is a kind of very bad disease. And now number 3. The foot and mouth diseases among cattle is caused by bacterium or virus, and the right answer is virus. Now number 4. Sleeping sickness among cattle is caused by protozoa or viruses. So the right answer is protozoa. Sleeping sickness among the cattle is a very serious kind of disease, and most of the time the cattle feel sleepy and drowsiness. Number 5. Early blight of potato is a disease which is caused by a bacterium or fungus, and the right answer is fungus. Early blight of potato is caused by fungus. The disease affects leaves, stems and tubers and can reduce yield, tuber size and the quality of the crops. And here the right answer is fungus. And here yellow mosaic of tobacco. Now number 6. Which microbe causes mosaic wilt? Bacteria or fungi? So the right answer is bacteria. Number 7. Dash spreads sleeping sickness. Bite of mosquitoes or the bite of tsetse fly? Which microbes cause the citrus canker disease among plants? The options are viruses or bacteria, and the answer is bacteria. So here we can see yellow mosaic of tobacco, black smooth of wheat. These are also different kinds of diseases among the plants. Number 9. The dash causes black smooth of wheat, fungi or virus, and the answer is fungi. Here we can see black smooth of wheat. Number 10. Root knot disease of brinjal is caused by a bacterium or a nematode, and the answer is nematode. And the root knot of brinjal is caused by parasitic nematodes, and the nematodes larva infect the plant roots, and the plants become very weak, and finally the plants die. So it is a kind of very deadly disease. So let's repeat all the answer. Now number 1. Most of the insects live in the air. False. Now number 2. Goliath beetles cannot fly because they are heavy. False. Number 3. Honey bees die after they sting once. True. Cicada, yellow jackets and hornets are all different kinds of birds. False. The light emitted by fireflies is known as cold light. True. Katydids shed a limb to escape their enemies. True. Doctors use maggots to clean dead tissue and treat open wounds. True. Dragonfly is known as the fastest insect. True. The term associated with weather forecasting is butterfly effect. True. Dragonfly is also known as the devil's needle. It's also true. Now number 1. Anthrax among cattle is caused by a bacteria. Various types of rust generally affect plants, and organisms mainly responsible for the rust diseases among plant is fungi. Now number 3. The foot and the mouth disease among cattle is caused by virus. Now number 4 is sleeping sickness among cattle is caused by protozoa. Now number 5 is early blight of potato is a disease which is caused by a fungus. Number 6, which microbe cause mosaic wilt? It is bacteria. Now number 7, bite of tsetse fly spreads sleeping sickness. Number 8, which microbes cause the citrus canker disease among plants? Viruses or bacteria? And the answer is bacteria. The dash causes black smooth of wheat. It is fungi. Now number 10 is root knot disease of brinjal is caused by a bacterium or nematode. So the answer is nematode. So with this we complete 2 chapters of GK, and I hope you will learn and revise all the work, and will give you some written work also. So please complete all the written work. Until the next video, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.